Today I'm here in my cozy chair in my living room. Hi! All right, it's time to look at my last video, which is over here, and it's time to ban some comments. If you're not yet following me, by the way, this is my channel over on YouTube, That Vegan Teacher. You just go there, you subscribe, you scroll down, go to where it says videos. That way you get the latest videos. If you press this button, you always get them in order. And this is for shorts. All right, let's press this last one here. And I turned the volume down, so we're not going to hear it. This is what it looks like. And this was just posted this morning. Let's look over here. By the way, yeah, I have a little shop if you ever want to get some mugs, some pillows, or some jackets. All right, so you'll notice that I posted something that says Happy Vegan Declaration Day, which is very happy. Now, 4 people replied. Let's see what's in there. Okay, someone says, damn, you're drunk. Okay, so that's not very helpful. It is not in any way positive towards the animals. It is not contributing in any way that is of value here. So let's go over here and click on this little spot right here. And we have some options here. Let's see what we have. We have one is called hide from channels. This person is, approved. Oh no, that's not what we want. Let's go over here instead. Let's change that. That is definitely not what we want. We want this one. Hide from channel. Woo, that was close. Here we go. All done. Let's look at this comment here. Somebody says, I became vegan since yesterday. Okay, very cool. And this person says, to this person above, you are a bot account. Okay, I don't know how you know this. I didn't even know that there were bots actually over on YouTube, but if this person is a bot and they're vegan, then okay, I guess they can stay. They seem to be not mean and they have the vegan logo there. You, on the other hand, I don't know what to do about you. You just basically told a lie, but it's not really a vegan phobic lie necessarily, so I guess I'll leave you. Okay, so at the beginning of my video, I was pretending that the little stuffed animals were talking, like these little guys. Doo-doo. And this person is sort of laughing about it. So that's not mean. That's fine. I'm going to leave that. This person says, do you make this video purposely to get people's attention? All right, let's respond. Yes, period. I make my videos to get attention, period. I want to draw attention to my channel so that people can learn how to be vegan, period. I hope you are here for the right reason, period. If you need any help, remember you can always go to ChatGPT for any questions that you have about vegan foods or the ethics regarding animal agriculture, period. Please write a comment that is helpful, period. You can say, for example, comma, that you ate lentils today, or that you ate blueberries, or that you are being kind to the animals because you have stopped eating them, period. All right, so there's my comment. I sent it. All is well. Let's go to the next. Reminder to eat Brussels sprouts. Here's someone writes, so animals have 2 very short lifespans for them not to eat all their food. I don't know if you're here watching this video, but I have no idea what you're saying. Maybe try to write it a little more clearly. Reminder to eat kale. This person asks, is it bad that I'm not vegan, but I support people who are vegan and I feel like people who are vegan shouldn't be considered weird or unnatural? Okay, well, thanks for being here with the right attitude that you are supporting vegans, but the next step is for you to be vegan yourself. It's not good enough to just support us. You have to be with us. You have to stop paying for the rape, torture, kidnapping, enslavement, and murder of animals. These are the videos everyone should watch. Dominion, Earthlings, Cowspiracy, Seaspiracy, what the... So you gotta change your name here. Get rid of this word cannibal and turn it into vegan. And where it says mad, change that to happy. Happy vegan. That's your new name. By the way, if you haven't yet subscribed, now's the time to do so. All right, next up we have this person here who is spamming these meat emoji things, and we're gonna go over here and tap here. So we see the little dots, go to hide from channel, and that's it. We don't need comments that are just useless. Goodbye. Here someone wrote, the mental hospital called, they want you back. To which I responded, I'm a nurse. I work there on the 4th floor. No worries, I was just 2 minutes late because someone threw up in the elevator. Yum, arugula. Okay, so this person is saying, so you basically telling me to eat other humans? Would you rather let other people die than animals? Okay, no, that's not what I'm saying. Let's record an answer. What I'm saying is that you should not be hurting animals, period. What I'm saying is you shouldn't be exploiting them, period. You know very well that I'm not saying that you should be eating humans. So why are you playing a stupid game and pretending like you don't understand, period. If you continue to act like this, you will not be welcome on my channel, period. Your comment will be hidden, only you will see it, and nobody else will, period. From now on, I want you to write the vegan foods that you eat on a daily basis, and I want you to do some research and put some comments in about how animals should be treated, period. Look up the official definition of veganism from the Vegan Society, for example, and post that here, period. Contribute properly, or you will be dismissed from class, period. Boink! Here we have a bunch of meat emojis. This has got to go. This is a hide from channel because this person has no desire to be helpful and is just acting in a way that is not welcome here. Here's another comment that gets banned. Just tap on that, go to hide user, hide from channel. Okay, go over here. Now these people probably won't even be aware that they have been hidden. They'll keep typing some comments, but they won't realize that nobody else can see them. All right, let's look at this comment. Oh, this is LATFA, which stands for Leave Animals the Fuck Alone. To uneducated people talking about crop deaths, human poverty, and plants feeling pain. Plants are not force-fed. Plants are not caged up in cages so small they can't move. Plants don't love their babies like animals. Do you really care about those snakes, insects, and rodents, or are you just trying to justify your taste pleasure? In a vegan world, less crops would be farmed equals less crop deaths, less plants feeling pain because they are used, and no animals being enslaved for non-vegan products. In a vegan world, there would also be more food to go around for people to eat, with less being force-fed to animals. Veganism is a win-win-win for plants, the animals, and humans. Good job. Excellent. Put that here and that there. The only thing I would change is when you talk about crop deaths, it's not the crops that are dying. I know what you mean, and everyone uses this language, but what I call it is accidental harvesting deaths. I prefer to use that term, otherwise people get confused. All right, somebody says, I ate watermelon today. Good job. You're going to get a thumbs up for that and a heart. And this person is writing about wool and sheep, and remember that the reason that we're vegan is because we don't believe in exploiting animals. If for some reason a sheep is on a sanctuary and the sheep has so much wool that the sheep is uncomfortable, there might be bugs under there, then yes, you will shave the sheep to protect the sheep, not to steal the wool, okay? All right, now this is, I get the feeling, is probably a comment from a child. So I'm not going to go ahead and delete the person directly from the channel, but I'm going to block the comment itself. And that's it, guys. That's it for today. I will be back to do another one of these videos, probably on a daily basis from now on. Write comments properly, be kind, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and press the notification bell so you don't miss any videos in the future. Thank you so much for being here and for being as vegan as possible.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube